Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Seoul Ceuticals Korean skincare snail mucin repair cream available, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Be sure to read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Considered to be far more effective than other snail creams as it contains a higher concentration, 97.5%, of snail mucin extract. Other snail cream products are not as potent or effective. Our promise to you: we promise you'll see brighter, healthier, and more youthful skin with this K-beauty product within the first few days of use. This Korean skincare snail mucin cream is ethically harvested in a cruelty-free environment. Our snails live and move about in an organic fashion just as they would in the wild. Unlike other snail mucin extracts, this formula is 97% naturally derived and 72% organic and shea butter and organic aloe and jojoba oil and vitamin E for extremely effective results. This snail cream is non-comedogenic, so no need to worry about clogged pores. It's packed with super nutrients that are guaranteed to provide you with a brighter, more youthful complexion. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.